Hi, I'm Nishchay from VideoDB. VideoDB is video as data infrastructure. Our technology transforms video libraries into vast, searchable databases where every frame, every sound, every face becomes a data point. And we are happy to announce our n8n integration, which gives you multiple video AI related features such as Gen AI, video analysis, video storage, summarization, editing, meeting recording, and much more. But today, we are going to have a look at this master meeting recording workflow. Before we get started with the workflow, we will have to set up the VideoDB node that we can get from the settings. Here, when we go to the settings, we will find the community nodes. You can see that we have already installed it, but this is how you are supposed to install it. Paste the right package name and click on install. It will be installed perfectly. After that, we'll have to set up our credentials. That is also very simple. We can use any VideoDB node. This is our community node. And here, we will be selecting a new credential. We'll go to console. We will click our API key. And then we will simply paste it here and save it. As we can see, the connection is tested successfully. We will be able to use it from now on. So let's get back to our workflow. Our workflow has few major steps. The first one being recording the meeting and fetching its data. The second one being indexing the spoken content of the meeting, fetching the transcript and formatting it. And the third step being selecting the right prompt depending upon the type of meeting that we have, and then making the LLM draw insights from it. And the fourth step is formatting the insights depending upon the application we need to use, like Coda, Slack or HubSpot. These 4 blocks are the 4 branches for the 4 types of meeting we are going to work on. We will look with detail. First, the prerequisites include the VideoDB API key that we just generated, Coda API token, Slack app credentials, and HubSpot API key for using their respective nodes that you can find setup guidelines in n8n documentations. Starting with our workflow, we have a form. This form takes in our input and the type of meeting. For now, we will go with team sync, but we have 4 types of meeting, that is team planning, interview, and sales. You have submitted the form. Now the second step is recording the meeting. Here, VideoDB takes the meeting link as URL. You can give the meeting title. For now, we have just selected the meeting type or sync as the title. And there are other parameters that you can populate, like bot image URL, etc. VideoDB will send a bot to your meeting and stay there and record silently until the meeting gets completed. We will keep running this loop so that at the end we can get the meeting and start working with it. Let's get it. Here, get meeting will fetch the meeting details such as the meeting link and the speaker timeline. That is very important. It tells at what time which speaker started speaking. And one of the most important, the video ID. The video ID will enable us to use further operations on the particular meeting video. After this, we are going to index the spoken content. Let us unpin this and we will index our meeting. What indexing does is it takes every word spoken in the meeting and assigns it with the right timestamp along with the generic speaker name so that we can use it further. As the node is executed successfully, let us spool till it's complete. We will wait for the index. It will run for 5 seconds and then check again. As we can see, it is now completed. Now we can fetch the transcript that we just generated. Here we can see the time-stamped words and the overall content of the meeting. This will enable us to assign the speaker along with their proper sentences. We will use the speaker timeline as well as the transcript that we generated in order to create the conversation style using the JavaScript code. Here. Once our transcript is formatted successfully, we are going to the next stage, that is selecting the right prompt depending upon the type of meeting. Here, based on the type of meeting we selected in the form in the very beginning, we will branch out and select the right kind of prompt. As we can see, the sync branch is activated. Here we have the prompt depending upon the sync meeting. But similarly, we have prompt for all the type of meetings. For example, this is the planning meeting. This is the prompt for interview. And this is the prompt for sales. All of them focus on different aspects. Perfect. Now let's merge the output. So this enables us to get the right prompt in the next step. Now we will use the generate text action in order to generate the right insights for the meeting depending upon the prompt that we had selected. It is an async process, so we will keep running it in a loop until it completes. Once the status will be complete, we will be able to move further. Perfect. Now, again, depending upon the type of meeting, we branch out. Here is the sync branch. So once we execute this, we will be able to reach the sync branch. Now, we have to edit the fields in order to match the Coda tables. As we can see here, in our meeting sync table, we have the column names like date, meeting stream, meeting title, meeting summary, and action points. For the demo, we are going to use date, meeting title, summary, and action points. So we have to set it precisely. Here is date, meeting title, meeting summary, and action points. We execute this step. Perfect. And then we are going to run the Coda node. We will be creating a row in our Coda table. The doc name is meeting n8n updates and the table is meeting sync table demo. Here we can see meeting n8n updates is a document and meeting n8n updates demo. Here is the table that we are going to populate. Let us execute this step. As the node has run successfully, we can see that we have got the meeting summary and insights here. Now, let us move forward. This node formats the output of the LLM for Slack. Once we run this, we will now send a message in a Slack channel, meeting summary. Let's execute this step. And we have received the message. Similarly, for planning and interviews, we have similar steps where we edit the fields for the Coda table first. Here we already have the planning table that we populated using the same workflow and the interview table. And similarly, we send messages to Slack after formatting them. And the last one is for our sales meeting, where we create a deal after analyzing the meeting. Let us re-execute our workflow for the sales table. First, we should unpin this data. Perfect. And let us re-execute. Here is our sales, the deals page on HubSpot. We execute this workflow. It is asking for our meeting URL. We select sales and we submit. Our workflow has started working. Here we have pinned this because the meetings are pre-recorded, otherwise it would not be possible to send a bot in the live meeting and wait till the meeting concludes in a demo video. As you can see, all the nodes have been executed successfully, and it says that the amount, deal description and deal name have been updated. Let us refresh this page. Perfect. And that's it. If you want to use this workflow, we will provide the link in description. And if you want to learn how to set up and create other video related workflows with VideoDB, we have uploaded different videos on our channel and we will provide the links in the description as well. Thank you.